Hey there, this is Cam here down in GM here in beautiful Duncan, British Columbia, Canada. And today I'm bringing you a video review of the recently landed 2013 Mazda 3. And it's a manual vehicle, so get excited. What kind of features does it have to offer? This 2013 has a mere 21,587 kilometers on it and came with features like your powered locks and powered side mirrors and powered windows too. You have a CD player, radio of course. You got your climate control with air conditioning, 12-volt plug-in. It's a 5-speed manual, as I said earlier. Oopsies. USB and auxiliary port. Might be hard to see, but there they are. Seating for 5 passengers. It's a snazzy little ride. Really fun to drive, so come on down and check her out.